All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shadow for your Mini-Me project. So by now you know how to bring the pictures together. We've scaled it over here. You can see I already have a shadow in this one. So let me go ahead and turn this off and show you how we get to it. So you're going to want to select the layer of your Mini-Me person right here. Then we're going to go to FX, Drop Shadow. And once this dialog box pops up, you can go ahead and hit OK. And then right here where it says drop shadow, we're going to right click on this and say create layer. So you want to create this layer, and then this will pop up and you just say okay. And let me go ahead and get rid of this one so we're not confused by it. Okay, so you may not know what's going on right now, but we do have this drop shadow here. We can turn this eyeball off on this layer, and you can see that it's created this layer that's just a silhouette. And so let me go activate that layer. And if I go to the fill on it, I can adjust it. I can make it darker or I can make it more transparent. So that's what we're going to use as the shadow. But right now it's not in the right position. So let's go ahead and adjust that. We're going to go to Edit, Transform, Distort. And it gives us this transformation box. You're going to want to grab this middle white box, and once you do that, you can go ahead and drag it around. So by looking at this scene, we can look at this one. This was actually just the picture unedited. So we got the light source coming from back there. We can see there's a slight shadow that's coming towards us. So we're going to go ahead and move this shadow. We want to match it. Let's go ahead and just place it there. Maybe we'll just place it like this for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and press enter. So let's go ahead and turn this one back on. And it looks, there's a little bit of a gap. So let's go ahead and use the move tool. And you can also use your arrow keys to line this up. We want the shadow to be like that. Now, there's two things with the shadow. It's too dark at the moment, and it's also too sharp. So let's just work on making it a little bit lighter first. We're going to go here to the fill, and we're going to make it a little bit lighter, moving to the left. We'll go with 20 for right now. Then we'll also go to, so now we want to make the edge of it softer. So we're going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and then you can just adjust the slider here to the left or to the right, and you'll see that it gets a little bit softer, or it gets a lot more softer. So we don't want it to be too soft, but something kind of like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And you can see that we have a pretty decent shadow. I can continue to work on it some more. Maybe I'll make the edge a little bit softer. I might adjust it and make it a little bit brighter or darker. But that's how you make a drop shadow, and how you can give the illusion that that actually I'm there. Without it, it looks kind of funky. But with the drop shadow, or with an actual shadow in there, it makes the object, the project, a lot more realistic. So look forward to seeing what you guys come up with.